Hi everyone! Today I'll tell you how to remove the background from your video. We'll need the Google Chrome extension, Video Background Remover. Add the extension to our browser. After adding the extension, pin it to the extensions list. Now, open the extension and upload the video you want to remove the background from. So, our video has been uploaded. Let's go to the preview page. It will take about 10 to 15 minutes to process the result. Alright, our video has been processed. Let's first take a look at the original. And now, let's say how our solution removed the background. In just a few clicks, you can remove the background from your video. All the necessary links will be in the description.